Hello everyone, welcome to the Color Bucket. My name is Akshada Das and I am an art teacher and the manager of the Color Bucket. Besides that, I am also a psychology student and I am pursuing MSc in psychology from Calcutta University. So, being a psychology student, I think that it is one of my responsibility to look after the well-being of people around me. There are many people and even friends who ask me that you are studying psychology, so does it mean that you are able to read people's mind? No, it is not. We psychology students are not trained to read people's mind because it is very much supernatural, and I think that I do not have those superpowers to read people's mind. But yes, I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience over 4 years because I have been studying psychology over 4 years, and I think that today uh, I would like to share a few of my experiences and knowledge with you all. So, for that, I will be starting with a very common topic, that is mental health. All of you must know what is mental health because it is very much important. So, today I will be talking about mental health. So, what is mental health? Mental health is a state of well-being in which an individual realizes his or her capabilities to cope with normal life stresses, to work productively, and to make a contribution in his or her community. And it is very important to preserve and restore one's mental health. You have to make it your first priority, because if you have any mental issues, it can lead to many physical problems as well. And coronary heart disease is one of the very bad consequence of stressful life. And during this situation, as we know that many people watching their family members, friends, neighbors suffering, it might be very stressful and pathetic. People might feel lost, hopeless, helpless, and even depressed. So I would really give them a friendly, warm suggestion that please don't be alone. If you are feeling lonely, depressed, please go to a friend, talk to a family, or if you feel like things are going out of your hand, so please feel free to go to a therapist. That is to start talking. You shouldn't be hiding your feelings. Start sharing your emotions with your loved ones, and you will you will get a proof that how much it will have a positive impact in you. Take an example. Suppose you have cough or cold, or maybe you are suffering from fever or any type of illness. You immediately take medicine or go to see a doctor. In similar way, if you are very sad, or if you are grieving, or if you are very much angry or frustrated, or if you are depressed, you should always talk to a friend or a family, or you should always go to a therapist. Talking to people, sharing your feelings with your loved one is very effective. And when you think that you are not able to control your emotions, you should definitely go to a therapist or a psychologist for their guide and assistance, because it is really helpful. It's been 2 years I am working with Color Bucket, and I have gained a lot of experiences teaching all those little students. And being a psychology student, I have also thought about that we should equally be concerned about the mental health of children. Because of this pandemic, because of the lockdown, it's like over a year the school are closed, and the children are not getting chance to go to school, to study there in the classroom environment, to talk with friends, to play with friends, and to get engaged with different activities. They are at home and they are attending online classes, and they are not getting the opportunity to socialize. And socializing is very important for children. And because of the lockdown, because of this pandemic, children are not getting chance to get out of home, And keeping that into mind, the Color Bucket thought that we should be arranging some virtual programs. We arranged a virtual art exhibition, and we wished that every student should take an active participation in it. And last week also we arranged a virtual Robindra Jayanti, where we like showcased a few of the performance of our students, like singing, art, recitation and dancing, because we thought that it is very important for children to socialize and to engage in different activities. Attending online classes, doing homeworks regularly, studying, and watching TV or doing something at their home every day can be very boring for children. So that's why we thought that we should arrange such virtual programs, even workshops and different things in which the students' active participation can be very entertaining and interesting for them. They will be given the opportunity to take participation, to learn from it, and to enjoy the performance of other children as well. And we think that by doing so, somehow we are trying to eliminate, it's a try to eliminate boredom from their lives, as they are completely at home, not being able to socialize much. We are looking forward to conduct many different virtual programs. We will try our best to keep our students engaged in different activities so that they can learn from it, and also they find it quite interesting, and they themselves show eagerness in participating in it. Because of this situation, as children are not getting chance to get out of home and play with friends, it has become very common that children have become very irritable and very sad because they are not getting an opportunity to go out and play. And this is somehow is affecting their mental health as well. And engaging in different activities apart from studying and attending school online classes, it is important that they engage themselves in something creative and artistic, like doing drawings, singing, dancing, and many more. So Color Bucket have arranged such virtual programs, and we will definitely arrange many more. I would just request every students to take an active participation in it. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it has been helpful for all of you, and I would request everyone to please stay at home, wear a mask, wear gloves, and please protect yourself from this harmful virus. Don't go out until and unless it is very important, and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.